Hi there, and in this video I have recorded how to pull up the bottom thread, which I know many people want to know, and I'm just going to do a quick video to show you exactly how to do that. So I've got here a top loading machine. This is exactly the same process whether you have top loading or side loading, but if you want to know how to put the bobbin in your side loading machine, I've got a video on that which I'll link to down below there and at the end of this video as well, so watch out for that. So first of all, we need to put our bobbin in, and it always comes through a little notch at the front and goes around anti-clockwise. Then we're going to put the cap on, the little lid, and we've got a tail, this tail here from the bobbin coming out of the back, and the machine is threaded and we're going to hold on to our top thread. And while we hold on to our top thread, we're going to take hold of the hand wheel. Now our hand wheel is to the right of our machine. It's off camera here, but refer to your manual if you don't know where that is, but it's the hand wheel on the top right of your machine. It's on the side of your machine, normally somewhere above the power switch. So we're going to take that hand wheel and we're going to turn it towards us. And we'll turn it towards us a whole rotation. And as we do that, our needle will go down, pick up the bottom thread and come back up again. So if we do that, so you can see my needle's moving down. And as it comes back up, it will pick up that bottom thread. And when we have got that hand wheel round a full rotation, so it's all the way back to where it started, make sure your needle is in the uppermost position, we can then give this top thread a gentle pull, and you will see just underneath my presser foot there that our bottom thread came up. And then all we need to do is grab a pencil or a pair of tweezers or your seam ripper or a pair of scissors, and we're just going to grab that and pull it out like that and pull it up, and then we are good to go. And that is how you pull up your bottom thread. Hope that's helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.